Chicago has always been a manufacturing hub. It's something we've spoken about for 100 years. But to really bring a place like mHUB into the mix of giving different companies opportunities to really innovate and design new products is really planning for the future and technology's ecosystem in Chicago.
Through and visited the mHUB facility. I was blown away. When I saw the facility, I was convinced that this was the place, and we wanted to be a part of making it happen here.
It's an environment where we can do test and learn. We can build prototypes and low production runs.
Being able to utilize the entrepreneurs to quickly test out an idea, experiment with some brand new, fresh ideas.
The opportunity to have exposure to entrepreneurs and startups that allow us to learn from them about the processes that you use to reinvent yourself.
We're really excited about the capability to use mHUB as everything from an idea generator to a prototype builder, so that we can actually do now all of early stage innovation with a set of resources from mHUB to help us, right? And that's something that we're looking forward to doing more of as we go into the future.
What mHUB is really allowing us to do, and hardware entrepreneurs to do, is to prototype products quickly, to get into low volume production, to be able to iterate on those products in a cost-effective way with their customers. It's an opportunity for us to leverage mHUB to de-risk our hardware investments.
Being part of the entrepreneurship ecosystem, I think there's lots of power in exchanging of information, knowledge sharing, because we are a strong believer that different people bring different perspectives, and through these different perspectives come with ideas that help us each to become better.